In this video, I will show how to replace the air purification cartridge in a SubZero kitchen fridge. This is a column fridge model IC36RID, and this was purchased in 2022. This air filter needs to be replaced about once a year, or when the display at the top of the fridge tells you that it needs to be replaced. Here's an example of that. To replace the filter, the first thing that you need to do is move the, if you have a shelf that's blocking this air purifier door, you need to move that either up or down so that you can open this little door. The way that this opens is you lift it from the bottom and it will come up to a certain point, and then if you push it a little bit more, it will lock into place so that you can access the other door. Here it says pull to eject. So we'll pull that down, and you can see that lifts up the old air purifier. And this just pulls straight out. You can see the old one. And here is a new one, and I will put the link in the description where you can buy this on Amazon. And so this just goes right into place. You don't need to push it in or anything. Swing that door up, and that door down. Now that I've replaced the air purifier cartridge, I can now come on this display, hit reset filter, and I hit yes, and that's it.